One of India's most respected police officers, Kiran Bedi, now joins me on the show. She's been watching this story. Dr. Bedi, this really is a betrayal of the officers and the police jawans who will be out on the streets taking on Kasab the next time if ever there's to be a 26/11 attack, because it's very clear after our expose that the corruption which was taking place prior to 26/11 is continuing. If anything, it's getting worse even after the most dastardly attack India has ever seen, Dr. Bedi.
Well, we just have to readdress the systems. We have to open up our systems and make them transparent. It's something like the telecom, the second and the third level. See, the moment it opened up and it was an open tender, everybody knew what was being done, and the country got so much more money in return. We need to readdress the systems, and all such purchases must be made mandatorily transparent and through committees which are intersectoral, so that everything is above board, everything is known, and everything is on record. I think we need to readdress the systems if corruption has to be reduced or eliminated in such heavy, expensive purchases.
That's a very, very important point you're making. Rahul Navrekar, I want you to respond to what Dr. Kiran Bedi is saying. She's saying, why can't we have an open and transparent system? Because we've seen at the Delhi and Mumbai airport, the same machine was procured for 4 crore rupees. It was picked up by the Maharashtra police for 6.5 crore rupees. None of this would be happening if the tendering were to happen in an open and transparent fashion.
Well, point well taken. Everyone wants the system to be transparent and as transparent as possible. But the point is, does the government in place want that to happen? Are they committed towards that? Please look at the state of the right to information. How is it being treated? Seldom you'll find a reply on the right to information being given, provided on time. You always have to go into appeals and appeals. When this is the scenario, I doubt if you can really meet the reality and expect to have transparency in the system. Number two, this kind of a scam couldn't have taken place unless the ministers and the officers were hand in glove. Today we have the Home Minister in charge of this department. This is the same Home Minister who had on record stated that such small incidences take place in large cities like Mumbai. So I won't be too surprised if this Home Minister finds this scam also to be too little to pay any attention to. This being the case, I doubt if we can see any transparency forthcoming from this government.
Okay, Mr. Munde, are you confident that at least now, once this expose has been laid before the public, the government will act? These tenders where there's clear case of corruption. This is not an insinuation, it's not an allegation. This is the person who paid the money saying, मैंने इसको 1% दिया, उसको 2% दिया, इसको 2% दिया, 3% दिया. Do you believe that the government has the moral authority to act against these erring officials, Mr. Munde?
जो पैसे खा रहे वो क्या करेंगे एक्शन? पुलिस ऑफिसर पैसे खा रहे, सरकार भी को पैसे खिला रहे, दोनों मिलकर पैसा खा रहे, तो वो क्या एक्शन लेंगे? उनको क्या मॉरल अथॉरिटी है? और यही गृह मंत्री थे, उन्होंने जैकेट खरीदने में गलती हो गई, माफी मांगी थी और कहा था कि आगे ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा, तो उनको फिर से गृह मंत्री बनाया गया. तो एक्शन क्या लेंगे? मैं उनसे कोई अपेक्षा नहीं करता हूं. मैं मांग करता हूं कि सीबीआई की जांच हो, और मैं मांग करता हूं कि हाई कमांड ऑफ द कांग्रेस एंड हाई कमांड ऑफ द राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस शुड टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट देयर लीडर, जो महाराष्ट्र की 10 करोड़ जनता के जान के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं और अपनी जिम्मेदारी नहीं निभा रहे, उन पर कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. और कोई भी ये पुलिस के लिए जो खरीदे हैं उसमें ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए. यहां ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है. ज्यादा पैसा दिया, अग्रवाल ने पैसा खिलाया, ये सच है, और उनको बिना डिलीवरी होते हुए भी सारा पेमेंट किया गया है. ये बहुत बड़ी करप्शन की केस है, बड़ी क्लियर है, क्रिस्टल क्लियर है. और इसके लिए मैं चाहता हूं कि अगर ये स्टोरी तो 15 मिनट एक्शन लेनी चाहिए. एक्शन नहीं लेगी तो पब्लिक ने रास्ते पर आना चाहिए.